January 16th, 2019. There's a new update this week saying that a federal judge has just ruled that discovery can begin in Hillary Clinton's email scandal. Obama officials and Clinton aides, including Susan Rice, Ben Rhodes, Jacob Sullivan, and another FBI official, will have to answer one watchdog, a government watchdog group that is pursuing this. They will have to answer several questions under oath related to this ongoing scandal with Hillary Clinton's unauthorized email server. So this judge is going up against the wishes of some people in the DOJ and the FBI. There have been complaints from this watchdog group and others that would like to see accountability for Clinton about what seems to be some kind of effort to block any sort of movement on this in court. People, it seems, in the DOJ and the FBI, maybe some holdovers from the Obama administration, still trying to protect Hillary Clinton and blocking any kind of action here. This judge, though, is going up against this, it seems. And in a recent ruling just leading up to this, the judge very recently had given this quote in a recent ruling. Judge Lamberth wrote that Clinton's use of a private email account was one of the gravest modern offenses to government transparency, and said that the response of the State and Justice Department smacks of outrageous misconduct. So very harshly criticizing both Clinton and the DOJ and the FBI officials that seem to be protecting her. So all these individuals will have to answer under oath now. This is what they are saying. Just yesterday, this Judge Lamberth, made this ruling. Now they're saying former Obama administration officials must answer written questions under oath about the 2012 Benghazi attacks in Libya as part of a court-ordered discovery related to former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton's unauthorized email server. So Judicial Watch, the conservative watchdog group, is trying to push this in the court. The judge, this is a positive sign. They say the judge's ruling here. They're saying despite objections from the Justice Department and State Department, United States District Judge Royce Lamberth ruled that discovery could commence examining Clinton's use of the server. As a result, a group of nearly 10 top State Department and White House officials from the Obama administration will be deposed under oath as Judicial Watch seeks to uncover whether the 2012 attacks in Benghazi and Libya whether this was a factor in keeping Mrs. Clinton's email secret. In a major victory for accountability, they said Judge Lamberth today authorized Judicial Watch to take discovery on whether the Clinton email system evaded FOIA, whether it was intentionally set up to evade FOIA, and whether the Benghazi scandal was one reason for keeping Mrs. Clinton's email secret. Judicial Watch President Tom Fitton said in a statement today, Judicial Watch they have issued document requests and other discovery to the State Department about the Clinton email scandal. Next up, we will begin questioning key witnesses under oath, they say. Former National Security Advisor Susan Rice and former Deputy National Security Advisor Ben Rhodes are among those ex-officials required to answer questions related to the fallout of Benghazi that killed 4 Americans. There's been other fallout related to that as well. Questions will touch on Rice's talking points that inaccurately described the attack as a spontaneous protest. She lied, or Susan Rice essentially lied about the attack, saying that it was the result of an internet video, and this was false. They knew that at the time. The Justice Department has also tried to avoid this being brought up in the court as well. They're saying although the Justice Department and State Department pushed back, that these talking points about this internet video, this fake narrative that they had tried to push originally, Susan Rice, officials from the Justice Department had said that it shouldn't be part of the discovery, these talking points. Lamberth said that Rice's comments and the State Department's knowledge of the terrorist attack, however, play an unavoidably central role in this case. Information about the point's development and content, as well as their discussion and dissemination before and after Rice's appearances, could reveal unsearched relevant records. State's role in the point's content and development could shed light on Clinton's motives for shielding her emails from FOIA requesters or on State's reluctance to search her emails. So, Judge, it seems here, is basically implying that the State Department might not want these talking points to be brought up because it could shed light on why they were so reluctant to search her emails. It might expose them as well, the State Department, in addition to Clinton. They close off here saying the discovery period will conclude in 120 days. So this discovery period they've just opened will conclude in 120 days, and Judicial Watch said that a post-discovery hearing will then be held afterwards to determine whether Judicial Watch can depose Clinton, her former chief of staff, Cheryl Mills, and others. So in this first round, you have Susan Rice, a number of Obama officials, and after that, after this discovery period, Judicial Watch is going to try to go further. Looks like the judge is open to this, given that he is going up against the Justice Department and State Department, maybe taking on kind of a risk here, the judge, by actually pushing this issue. It is possible that in the next round, they could depose Hillary Clinton herself, Cheryl Mills, one of her closest staffers, and others as well. I will continue to follow this. Let me know what you think. I do have a link to the original article in the video description, as well as a link to my Patreon account, patreon.com/realityreader. Thanks to everybody that has supported the channel over there. A couple dollars makes a huge difference, helps me keep talking about these issues. Patreon.com/realityreader. I have a PayPal link in the video description too, paypal.me/realityreader. And yes, the original article, take a look, tell me what you think, leave a comment. I will follow up soon. Thank you.